human face quite often reflects the consequences of what is happening in the other parts of the body. Anything which reflects on the face is visible to the outside world. It can be pleasant, it can be unpleasant. In Bell's paralysis, one side of the face droops because of the inflammation of or damage to one of the facial nerves. It happens suddenly. There is partial or total paralysis on one side of the face. There is difficulty in speaking and eating. The corner of the mouth on the affected side droops. One can see it. Muscles of the eyebrows and forehead become weak. A very important symptom is on the affected side, eyelids cannot be shut. It's a very embarrassing situation. The person is staring at you all the time. At times, saliva dribbles on the affected side. Taste is impaired. Homeopathy provides excellent remedies for these situations. Like in any acute and violent attack, we prescribe Aconite 30. It does a great job. If the paralysis has been caused by exposure to cold, dry winds, Aconite 30 is the remedy. If there is facial paralysis more on the left side with distortion of the mouth, give the patient cadmium sulfate 200. If the jaw is trembling, swallowing has become difficult and it is on the right side, there is difficulty in opening the mouth, causticum 200 is the indicated remedy. If there is a distortion of the facial muscles around the mouth, neuralgia of the face, and there is extreme difficulty in shutting the eye, Gelsemium 200 helps. If the corners of the mouth twitch spasmodically, the lower jaw droops, there is a distortion of the facial muscles, Opium 200 comes in. Choose the remedy carefully after listening to the symptoms, maybe twice or thrice. It's not a difficult exercise. With habit, one becomes accustomed to choosing the right remedy. The homeopathic dose is 4 to 6 pills on the dry tongue, no food before and after for 30 minutes. Buy preferably a bottle of 2 gram pill size 20. Mind you, the pill size 20 is not the potency. Potency I have spoken with the name of the medicine. For example, Gelsemium 200 or Aconite 30. In Bell's paralysis or facial paralysis, the medicine has to be taken for maybe a fortnight or more. As soon as the recovery occurs, stop taking the medicine. Otherwise, there can be aggravation. That is the intensity of the sickness can increase. In case that happens, it's a good news because we have achieved cure. You can stop medication, automatically everything would be all right. I have chosen paintings deliberately stressing on the face of the models. These paintings have been done by some of the greatest artists of the world, like Rembrandt, Raja Ravi Verma, the French Impressionist painters. You would notice, if you look at them carefully, how they have worked on the faces of their characters. I thank you for listening to me, for coming to this video. I propose to continue giving this advice, or call it suggestion, for use of homeopathic remedies periodically till I have covered hundreds of different subjects, ailments to which mankind is subject. For detailed study of the subject, you can go to my books. Thank you and goodbye.